Hey, it's Shay here again, and I have a question for you. Have you ever seen what a $700 a day campaign looks like? And I don't mean just the results of that campaign, I mean the actual inner workings of the campaign, how the traffic is generated, how to point the traffic to a network that is going to make you consistent money every day. Well, if you haven't seen that, or someone hasn't given you the time to show you it, then that's a shame. Because making that kind of money online just comes down to what you know. And obviously the way you get to know something is by someone else at a certain level showing you what to do. And that's exactly what I do on a daily basis for all of my students right now. And I actually just recently showed this campaign right here. I'm just going to jump straight over to the network here. This is just one of the 5+ networks that I use now to make my own money online. But I just want to show you this thing because it's one of the campaigns that I just recently showed my students. And they're always so psyched up to see these campaigns because it motivates them to go make their own successful make money online campaigns as well. And I know I can help you do the same. You're obviously interested in learning or looking for ways to make money online, and I can certainly say you've found a good one. And I'm actually just going to hit you with something really unique, perhaps something you've never heard of, and that is getting paid for clicks. Okay, so most marketers, they will get paid for generating a lead or getting a full sale or something like that. That's usually how you make money online. That's what most people know. But not many people know about how to get paid for clicks. They don't know anything about it because it's so underground, and it's a shame because I've been doing it for years now. But when you know how to make money online by generating clicks, it's one of the easiest money makers there is online. Again, of course, if you have someone showing you exactly what to do. So at the moment, I've just got this defaulted back to the 16th. Today's the 19th of October, so we're on today. Just back to the 16th, so already just on this campaign, around $2,000 made in the last 4 days. $586, $708 in a day on just a couple days ago. 200, 500 so far today. We're not quite, we're about halfway through the day today, around lunchtime. So I'm expecting a lot more to come from this one yet as well. But I'll just even go back. Let's just go back to September. I'll just put in, that should be 30 days. 30 days, 30 of 30, and I'll just go back a few right here so you can see. Alright, so getting close to basically $10,000 made. Again, we're not quite through this day yet, about halfway, and this is just one of my campaigns. I have other campaigns, other networks matching this network as well in terms of earnings, and so just a few here. As you can see, you can basically see these numbers, plenty of 300 or so days, 400, 600 right there, 658, 463, 420, 586, and back up to the days I just had open before. And again, I can show you how I'm doing this, but I'm only going to show you if you are serious. I've helped many students do this already, and I know I can help you do the same. Maybe you're just starting to make some money online. Maybe you haven't made $1 yet. That's all okay. If you're trying to get to that next level, I can certainly help you do that. But you have to take action right now while I have this open, because I'm really only interested in quality. I'm not looking for quantity in terms of the number of students I work with. So if that is you, if you are serious, all you have to do is take action right now. So just look for the description of this video. Look for the link at the top. Click the link at the top of the description right now. It's just going to be a really short link that I put there. So just click that link and it'll jump straight over to my site. And while you're doing that as well, I'm going to go to my site also, so I can show you what to do. So on my site right here, as soon as you land here, all you have to do is enter your best email address right here on the site, right there, and then click the Get Instant Access button. As soon as you do that, I'm going to send you out a welcome email. So go check that email address that you just entered in. Go check that inbox, look for my email somewhere. It should be there shortly. And in that email, I'm going to get you started with the next step so you can get started today, right now. And if you have any questions, just reply to my email, that welcome email. Just hit reply and send your questions directly through to me. And that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Go take action right now today. Do it now. And I look forward to working with you really soon.